hope you're all well. Today I'm bringing you a video that has been requested because I did a poll a few weeks ago and asked you, maybe a couple of weeks ago or so, and asked you if you wanted to see what I'm going to be taking with me to my trip, to Jamaica. And this array of colours, this loveliness is what I'm packing. So I thought I would show you, because some of you might be interested, might be going away somewhere exotic over the next few months. And yeah, I'm gonna talk you through where I got items from, mostly new bits on there. I will be celebrating my 50th birthday, so I am super excited, and yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick pack with me. I've done a couple, I think, and you've really liked them, so I thought I'd do another one. All right, let me show you. Let me start on this side. I've got some bikinis over here. I've got this gorgeous bright orange one that reminds me of when I was a young person. I remember doing my first test shots for my first model agency wearing a yellow bikini, and I thought, you know what, I want to go back there. So this one is actually from Boohoo. I've got this lovely mustard one. It's got a lovely waffle to it, and that was from H&M. It's got the little sort of tortoise shell rings, like a resin ring, yeah, on the top and the bottom. Oh, I have got two swimsuits. I'm gonna have to go find the other one. This one I really liked. It's got a bit of padding in, bit of a lift, and drawstring either side. This was from H&M. Love the animal print. I picked up a couple from Primark just because, I mean, the colours are gorgeous and really well priced as well. So I got those. My new paper scarf is going to work really well with a number of those bikinis, just to wrap around the bottom. This was gifted to me actually at a recent Pavers event, but it's gorgeous. It's so big, it's perfect. And you know me, I'll more than likely wear it on my hair as well at some point, but it's perfect. If you saw my recent Pavers video, you'll see how so many different ways that you can style their scarves. So girl, we're about to turn 50, but they'll never know. Not in this swimsuit. I mean, it is so cheeky. Look at this. Yeah, anyway, it's backless, really strappy. It's just gorgeous. My niece had it and I said to her, I need to know where you got this swimsuit from, and I couldn't believe it. It's Shein, and it's got drawstrings as well. There's just so many little details on it. Love it. They need an iron. Can you believe my ironing board broke this morning? I wasn't going to iron everything and just pack, but that's not going to happen because the ironing board's broke, so I've got to wait until Paul gets in from work with a new one. But just some white cotton, white linen trousers, wide leg. This is another Shein number. I will say that the quality of Shein isn't fantastic, but the styles when they're on look really amazing. Yeah, so that's a backless dress, and that's like a, see, it cuts out at the back and scoops the bottom. It's really lovely on. There is something about a black dress in the sun. I don't know what it is, but it looks amazing. I got this one. Whoops. This is really lovely as well. It ties around the neck. Again, alter neck, and it sort of comes ovals over on your hips here. If you've got wide hips, it might not be the best choice because it's going to emphasize them, but I really like this this dress. It's really lovely, and we'll probably find an all white party in Jamaica. So this again was from Shein, I think. Got a label in there. I think it was Shein, but it fits so beautifully, and it's got a little gold ring in. This gold accent is going to go with so much of my gold hardware, my shoes, my sandals. Love. This I wore the other day and had so many compliments. It's an alter neck top, but it's got a zip in the side, and then the trousers are a wide leg, a bit like pyjama bottoms. Got a few buttons down and draw waist, and this was from Bershka. It's so pretty on, I love it. Really soft sort of cotton, waffled cotton. Okay, these were definitely from Shein. Again, another backless number. I'm thinking about the heat here. So yeah, that tie shows a little bit either side. Not too cheeky, just enough for the heat. This is another one from Shein. I wasn't sure about this when I took it out of the packaging, and honestly it looks so much better on than off. Another two-piece cord, just sort of a very light flowy jacket. I'll just put a boob tube or something on underneath. This was a bit of a surprise in that it's shorts. So we've got a little play suit here. This was from River Island. It's just so cute, and then you can, if you want to, take the straps off. But again, a really lovely little one piece for the heat. I'm expecting heat. This I really like the colour of. Did you know that TK Maxx do Zara? Bet you didn't know that. This I came across in my local TK Maxx, and the label is from Zara. Really cute, just for throwing on with shorts and things. I think a lot of the time, if it is really hot, I'll probably be wearing more bikinis with shorts anyway, but it's always good to have options. This is another gorgeous two-piece. This was from River Island. It's got the embroidery anglaise, that's the word. On the skirt, it's a long maxi skirt. I do believe it has pockets. Yes, it has pockets. A long maxi skirt with the jacket. Again, that'll be worn with a boob tube underneath. Another gorgeous Shein number. Again, looks so much better on than it does off. Yeah, it's backless. Oh, I'm gonna be 50, man. I'm gonna be 50, and we're gonna do this thing in style. Like, it's coming anyway. Another really pretty dress. It's quite a thick cotton, this one. Not sure how I'm going to be in the heat, but anyway, love it. It's got like a elasticated back. Yeah, it's just really gorgeous. It's got a zip inside as well. And this one was from H&M. This two-piece cord again is from Primark. A little shorts and shirt. I think it's going to be great on the beach. I can even wear my bikini, my yellow bikini top on the inside of that. This lovely brown floaty maxi dress, love it. This was from H&M. Great colour for this season, chocolate brown, can't go wrong. Next up is this. Can't really show it so well on the hanger, but it's like a tunic, if you like, that's an alter neck, opens up, and then to reveal these wide leg pants on the inside. Fabric is not something that I would have bought, like, if I'd have seen it out. That's the thing with online shopping, like, you never really know until you can feel it. But on, it looks amazing. Another cord. There is definitely a theme. This gorgeous pink top can either be worn, you know, with shorts or jeans, but equally it can be worn with the matching skirt, which again is a maxi. Colour is gorgeous. These shorts, I've got so many shorts, but they don't fit. They don't fit anymore. Anyway, I'm gonna be 50. Yeah, these are gorgeous. These were from H&M. And then there's just a couple of top options. There's this plain white one from Zara, and I've got just a normal white boob tube. A longer one than what I would normally wear. I normally wear crop ones, but this one's quite nice. Again, from Zara. Yes, from Oxfam in Windsor, whilst out a few weeks ago. And it's just a long sort of a long summer dress. I think it's got a split at the side. think, maybe not. But it's great for just wearing over your bikini. And yeah, it's even still got the label on. It was originally from Primark, but I bought it in Oxfam for £5. Drawstring either side, fabulous. On the bottom then, I've got some shoe options and a hat. Hats aren't really, they don't really suit my haircut, so I figure that if I can show the hair as much as possible, I can probably get away with wearing a hat. This is the option that I'm going with. This was from Primark. I think it was like £2.50 or something like that. I've got these. I'm gonna, I don't know, go out in the evenings, might want something a bit sparkly. Equally, might want to go with a heel, so I've got these gold. So I've literally gone with metallics because metallics are neutrals, like they're going to go with anything. Got this gorgeous shell bag that will be going out with me in the evenings. I'm not going to bring too many bag options. I'll bring this one and probably a tote just for like shopping, out and about, that sort of thing. This was from Primark. My pound shop Primark flip-flops, I've got them in white and I've got them in black and I've got them in gold. I'm going to bring gold ones with me. My sandals from Parfois that I've shown you, that you can also get in Primark at the minute for £10. These were, I think, £35.99 or £39.99, I can't remember now, but they have a version in Primark for £10. They've also got a version apparently in New Look. Then just quickly show you some of my accessories as well. So I've got another scarf. This one was from Parfois as well. Love it because it's got these little tassels on the end. This is another scarf that I'll probably use for my hair. I have been using it on my hair. This is from Mango, and my hairband, that if you watch my hat you'll know what the hairband's for. Okay, so my jewellery bag goes everywhere with me. I do kind of edit it every now and again, but I've already gone through this, so I know that these are all bits that are going to be going to Jamaica with me. Hoops, because you just need hoops standard, like you just need hoops, and a nice pair of gold earrings for if you're going out. I like to accessorise with chain belts, so I've got gold and the silver option. We've got a couple of delicate necklaces. Oops. And these earrings. This necklace that I made that you would have seen, oops, that you would have seen, that I've worn loads. And then just kind of necklaces, not that match so much, but I know go with like most of my outfits. This was from H&M years ago. This came in a pack of 2 from, I think, Pull & Bear. That and, whoa, where is it? And that. My necklace from Parfois. And I like to wear that with the necklace that I made from the stone that I got in Morocco. These bangles I've had for donkey's years. I don't even know where I got it. I feel like my sister might have even given me one. I don't know, but I've had them for donkey's years, but I've been wearing them so much of late. This is gorgeous. Like, it's, I don't know, I hope it's not elephant tusks, but I don't know. But it is gorgeous. These were from Parfois. This was from, I got this on a recent trip to Portugal. And then I've just got all the bits and pieces, beaded, and just neutral kind of bits that are going to go with everything. And that for the beach, of course. Yeah, this was from Parfois recently. You would have seen when I got that along with this one. So yeah, these are all going to be coming with me. Oh, take my glasses out. These are all going to be coming with me on my trip. These, of course, because these I'm not leaving. They go with so many of the outfits on that reel. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Come back for part 2 and I'll do a try on. Bye.